Hello students, this is Bansode sir. I hope all of you are fine. After a long break, we are meeting together through this video. It is because of coronavirus we can't meet face to face. But through such a videos we can interact with each other. First of all, I would like to welcome all of you in Standard 12th in our new academic year 2020-21. We don't have any idea when our college will reopen, but as this year is really important for you, so you should start study by your own. Of course, we teachers are surely there to help you. Okay? I think all of you are familiar that this year our syllabus is changed. This year we have a new textbook. I think most of you have purchased your new textbook and maybe you have started with it, isn't it? Okay. I would like to tell you that while watching this video, if you will open your textbook, it will be beneficial for you to understand what I am going to teach you. If you have glanced through our textbook, you will notice that our textbook is divided into 4 sections. See the contents of our textbook. Have you opened your textbook? Okay. Now you can see our textbook. Now you can see our section, isn't it? Now see what is our first section about. Our first section includes a prose from 1.1 to 1.8. There prose means lessons. Okay. Section 2 is of poetry 2.1 to 2.8. 8 poems are there. It means in the first section we have 8 lessons and in the second section we have 8 poems. All the poems are so interesting. I am sure that we will enjoy this section. Now see the third section, it is about a writing skill. It includes the chapter from 3.1 to 3.6. When the time comes, I will explain this section. Okay. Now the last section, that is a section 4. It is about Jan, that is a drama. Okay. Now you got the idea about our new contents. Okay. I think it will be nice to start our journey through our second section. What our second section is about? Yes, it is about poetry. Our second section starts from page number 93. Have you opened your book? Okay. Now see what is the title of our first poem? 2.1 Song of the Open Road, written by Walt Whitman. Before going to see the poem in details, first of all we will turn toward the questions in icebreaker on a page number 93. So see the questions in icebreaker. 4 questions are there in it. Let's see the questions. See the first question. I am reading the questions. You have to concentrate toward me as well as toward your book also. Okay. Now see the first question. Choose the mode of travel that you would like the most for your journey. 4 options are given to you. See the options. Number 1, airways. Number 2, waterways. Number 3, railways. And number 4, roadways. From these given options, you have to choose any mode of travel of your choice and see what is the next question. Next is depend on first give reason why you choose that option. It means you choose airways, then give reason why you choose airways. For example, I will tell you have to give one reason why you choose that particular mode of travel. Okay, I will give you the example. See, if I choose waterways, I have to give reasons why I choose this mode. Okay, now see what my reasons are to choose waterways. First reason is I like to wade through the water. Second, it is the cheapest mode of transport. And my third reason is that according to me, I feel very relaxed when I travel through the waterway. So these are the reasons why I like to travel through water. Understand this much? Now you have to choose any mode from the given modes and also have to give reason for that. Okay? Shall I turn toward the second question? See the second question. Discuss with your partner the preparation you would like to make for the journey chosen. You are asked to discuss, but as all of we know that lockdown period is going on, so we can't discuss with your friends now, isn't it? But we have the solution also. Don't worry. What you have to do, try to discuss with your siblings. You can discuss with your parents also. Okay, now once again turn toward the questions. We have to discuss about the preparation. Okay, see the journey through it. It is a planned or sometimes it is a unplanned. Though it is through airways, waterways, railways or through roadways. We have to make preparation, isn't it? So what are those preparation? See, that is the day and date of your journey, the time of the departure, the time of arrival, clothes, food, eatables, medicines, etc. Understand this much? So in this way we have to discuss about such a points. Okay, now see the third question. Discuss the way in which you would overcome the problems, hindrances, difficulties you face during your journey. Okay, once again I read the question. Discuss the way in which you would overcome the problems, hindrances, difficulties you face during your journey. Now see, while traveling sometime you have faced some problem. For example, sometime your bus or your train is late. Sometime because of changes in a weather you have to face problems, isn't it? So you have to tell how do you overcome such a difficulties, how do you come out from such a problems. Okay, now the last question in icebreaker is fourth one. During every journey we have to observe certain rules. Discuss your ideas of journey without any restrictions. I think you would like these questions. You would like this question because I am quite familiar with you. Children like you always want to journey without restrictions. But keep in mind these restrictions are for our safety. Okay, come to the main point. What you have to do? You have to discuss your idea of the journey without any restriction. One hint is given to you. See, what is it? I would go alone, or I would go with selected friends. See, sometimes it's happened that your parents have their own rules and regulations for you. I know what you don't I know that you don't like to follow them. So tell something about it. Okay? Now we have gone through all the questions in icebreaker. So we will turn toward the poem in our next video. Thank you.